Good morning, everybody. Thanks for watching. The video that you're about to see today was shot on Saturday, February 2nd, 2019. I'm recording this after the fact because all the footage that I took with this camera, I lost it. I was editing the video, it auto closed on me, I couldn't recover it, and like an idiot, because I'm new at this, I erased it out of the camera as soon as it uploaded because I had nothing better to do. So, it's only GoPro footage of Declan riding his quad. You'll see at the 527 mark, he wipes out. And I had it on video on this camera too. He's okay. I was trying to do a donut. He does them in the snow, but he's not good at them on the dirt yet, doing donuts. So, his first wipe out. It's a short video. We hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. right, so that was it. You saw Declan wipe out for the first time ever. Scary for a dad to watch his son wipe out, but he was okay. He was moving pretty slow. Flipped over, quad right, went right back, right side up, and he's all right. Like I said, this is being shot totally after the fact because I lost all the video footage. Thanks for watching very much. Leave a comment down below. Do you have an ATV? Do you ride? For parents out there, do your kids ride ATVs? We love them. You're going to see a lot more of myself riding, Declan riding. While we're camping, we're out RVing, we'll be bringing the ATVs with us, stuff like that. More adventures to come. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. Have a great night. That's it.